Hello everyone and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today we will do the quick unboxing of the OnePlus 7T non-official case cover, which came from the AliExpress. Let's see what's inside real quick. Okay, silicone case cover. It's designed for OnePlus 7T. It cost $127 US. Let's zoom out. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's dive in. And here is the case. It's my Silcon. I don't know what type of the brand, but speaker grills, USB Type-C, port cutout, and microphone noise cancellation. Inside is the smooth finish. Not like all original cases, but it's pretty good. And color is some kind of lavendish gray, or this is the new trend colors in 2020. And that's it. I don't have a phone right now to test on it, but this is a nice one. I can leave the link down below. You can get yours. And I will tell this is not an advertisement video. I bought it for myself and I'm just sharing my opinion for those who are interested on these types of cases for OnePlus 7T. This is it. Another close-up view, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.